Good morning, boys and girls. Hello, so today we are going to be learning about doubling numbers to 100. But before we proceed on our video, let me remind you about our place value. Since we will be working on numbers that are below 100, therefore we are only going to deal with two place values. And those two place values are, of course, tens and ones place value. But before, let me stop the video here. Now why am I reminding you of our place value? That is because later we will be doubling numbers step by step, and we will be applying partitioning strategy. Alright, now let's begin with 36 as what you can see on our screen. So what is a double of 36? And how are we going to double 36? Now I know for most of you that this is very easy, right? But let me remind you that sometimes we have to do step by step so that we do not miss a thing. Now in doubling two-digit numbers, we will always follow 4 simple steps. First one, right, let's write here let's divide our screen first. So 36 on the right side because we are going to be writing our steps here. And first one, so we need to partition the number that we are going to double. Wrong spelling, sorry. So what is the number that are we going to double? That would be 36. So 36 is 30 plus 6. Now let me remind you that for number 2, I am going to write here double the tens place value. So let me stop the video here again. So double the tens place value. So here we have ones on the right side and tens on the right side. Now let me tell you this. So for those who do not know that when you double a number, it's just very simple. You only multiply it by 2. Now others do not know what is multiply. We times the number by 2. So let's make it clear. Now we are going to write a box where we're going to write our answer later. And then here we are going to write, since we're going to double the tens place value, that would be, again, I repeat, times 2, which is 60. The third one, we are going to be doubling the ones place value. So then we are also going to write on this side our 6 times 2. Now 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Now again, the product of number is the answer. In multiplication, the answer when we multiply number is called the product. Now since we double, we are also multiplying by 2. So our step 4, what we need to do is to add number 4. We are only going to add the product of step 2 and step 3, which would be 60 plus 12. So what are we going to do next? We're going to write a box at the bottom and we are going to write our answer. 60 plus 12 is equal to 72. So then our final answer would be double of 36 is 72. Isn't it very simple? Alright, let's try it with other numbers.